On July 14th, 2022, Officer Axon's body cam captures a wild scene. A security guard refuses to leave private property even after the manager asks her multiple times. She's arguing, causing trouble, and acting like the rules don't apply to her. The officer tries to calm her down, but she keeps pushing back, saying no one can touch her without her permission. That's true, but she's making things worse by yelling and ignoring every warning. What happens next? Let's see how the officer handles this tense moment.
911 now. Alright.
Okay, ma'am, the address is, I'm not leaving nowhere! Okay.
I just showed up and this is what happened.
Okay, you'll see.
Who is Mr. McLean?
Alright.
Ma'am.
So you just want her to leave?
Yes.
Alright.
Come text me, the camera's watching you!
Okay.
I know you're not a cop, come text me! Come text me!
Alright.
Come text me! Come!
You have to leave.
Come! And I'll make them track the GPS, come!
Are you gonna leave the
Come,
property?
I'm not leaving!
Why not?
Because I know you're not a real police, the cameras are obviously watching you. That's called kidnap. Stop being dumb!
Alright. Are you gonna leave the
I'm not
property?
leaving, come text me!
Okay. 1645
You guys think
PBL
I'm
in the
so
back of the
slick.
building. Are you, who's the manager here? You're a manager?
Yeah, come shoot me!
You just want her to leave the property?
Yeah, come!
Are you willing to press
Come!
trespassing?
Come!
Okay.
Let
So
me
you
record
need to leave the
Yeah, let me
property.
record you.
If you don't
You're
leave the
police,
property,
right?
you will be going to jail for
Look what you're wearing.
trespassing.
What police wears that? What are you
Okay.
wearing?
I'm gonna warn you one more time.
Do not touch me!
Property.
Do not touch me!
You will be going to
Do not touch me! I'm not going to jail. I'm standing right here. Come touch me.
Okay.
Shoot me. Go ahead.
Come on.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Stop touching
Turn around,
me.
put your hands behind
Stop
your back.
touching me. Stop touching me. What the What the Help me!
Units.
Throw her on the ground. Throw her on the ground.
You will not fight me. Do you understand me? Give us your hands.
Stop touching me.
Stop resisting.
Got one.
Eric, bring it back.
Stop touching me. Help me.
And sleep.
Why? Help me.
Let go of the cuff. Let go of the cuff.
Help me. The camera's watching you. They're tracking you down.
Just
Don't
hold the
touch me.
cuff.
Don't touch me. Get off of me. I will leave. Get off of me. I will leave. Get off of me.
Get it on. Thank you.
Get off of me.
We done?
Yes. Are you kidnapping me?
I'm sorry.
Ah! They're kidnapping me. They're kidnapping me. Help me. Get the off of me. What the
Heads up. You will get tased.
Why are you tasing me?
Let go. Let go.
God!
On
Take
your
my
ass.
phone.
Stand the up.
Get off of me! What the The cops are right there!
Walk.
Let's go.
What the You guys are real?
You are really.
We're done with this.
Listen to me.
What are you doing?
You gonna go back to the ground?
What are you
You
doing
wanna go back to the ground?
You have a child. What are you doing to me?
We're
Please.
gonna go back to the ground.
Please.
You are under arrest.
For what?
Battery
on a law enforcement officer, resisting arrest and violence, and trespassing.
And trespassing.
Do you understand me?
What are you doing to me?
Get the on the ground.
Stop doing that to me! Help! Help! Help me! Help!
Why she was being removed is she was saying that she speaks to demons and that she hears voices. And
Oh, she said all that.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is why she was being removed from
the
site.
Okay.
She would then just like, when she's looking, instead of, she just like look at you like that fast, like kind of scary.
Right. And she worked
Yes.
for you. She formerly worked for you
Yeah,
guys.
she was literally just rehired 2 days ago.
Okay.
And we put her to train with the young lady, and they were asking her to be removed because that's what she was saying. And
Okay.
I guess they had told her yesterday, just because of what she was saying and just the whole, I guess she was told not to come here.
Not to come
And
here.
she still came here
Okay.
today. So.
Got it.
She has mental problems.
Not before you
Okay.
get in trouble, please.
Right hand.
I'm not trying to get you in trouble.
Who's got a baton?
You can take my phone.
Stop this right hand.
You can take my phone.
Just slip him to the front. We gotta take it off and put him in the back.
Bleeding. So
Ah!
Bring her arms up.
God, please.
Put it behind your back.
Take my phone, please. Ah,
you gotta listen.
Put it behind your back.
okay. What are you doing to me?
Ma'am, just relax and follow instructions.
Okay. Oh my God. this no more. Please, please. I'll move, I promise.
Okay.
I promise. Please.
On your ass.
Don't do
Stand
this.
the up.
Don't do this to me. You guys are
Come on.
Please.
Watch the blood. Watch the blood.
All right, hey, let's go to the car.
I don't want to go.
Take her, right.
I don't want to go.
Take her.
Please.
Take a
I don't want to go, please.
All right, pull the car down here, right by the
let's
stairs.
go.
Please, I have a mom, please. I never see my mom, please.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Start walking.
Come on.
All right, grab her leg. Grab her legs. Grab her legs. Grab her legs. Grab her legs.
You got it, Jordan. I got them. You got it. No, wrong one.
All right, listen, no, put her on the ground. Put her on the ground, and we're gonna
Pablo.
get a wrap. We're gonna wrap her legs. Let's go.
Please. Guys, please, you guys are doing something wrong. I'm telling you guys, stop, please.
Give me one.
Stop. Stop.
Help him out. Help him wrap her legs, please.
I can't breathe. I'll go home. I'll go home, I promise.
Ma'am, stop resisting.
I can't.
Stop resisting.
The medics come give her a shot. They'll wait right there.
Okay, get in the car. I'm gonna give her a shot.
They'll give her the ketamine.
All right. Got it? Oh, yeah.
I'll leave him alone, I promise.
Yeah, let's get in the car now. Your turn.
Please, this is my third time going, please.
Do that. Sit.
Please.
Sit down.
Please. Help me.
Hey, guys, sit down.
Please. Please.
Push it back.
Ow. It's hurting.
Right there.
Close the door.
Hard. Pull the strap hard.
The request to remove her, I guess,
Jordan, please.
last
Jordan, just let me
2
go.
days ago.
Okay, who's this Jordan person she
I
keeps?
have no clue.
Okay.
Who's Jordan? I have no clue who Jordan is. I don't know who Jordan is.
Okay.
Our members are new Jordan,
Gotcha.
and that's just that. So,
Okay.
Hold on. Let's see if the medics want to check her out here. Maybe they can give her something here and get her calm down. Are you guys okay? You all right?
She bit. Is that broken?
She bit you? No, it's not really broken. All right, we'll document that.
Yes.
If let me see how she is.
Actually, these must be yours.
Please, sir, I want to go home to my mom. Please. Please
You're under
forgive me.
arrest, so you gotta calm down.
Please.
You keep fighting us, but you're under arrest. Do you understand that?
It's just the only reason why I said that promise. It's because I keep feeling like hurting stuff. I don't like it.
Okay,
Please, I gotta be your daughter.
You attacked
please.
my officers and you bit my officer, okay? You can't do that.
Sir, please.
There's nothing you can say that's gonna get you out of going to jail. Do you understand that?
Please.
Not today.
Nothing.
Please.
Did we double check her for weapons? Resnick, no weapons?
I didn't search her real good. I did not.
Do you have any weapons on you?
No, sir.
She's got to get searched before we go anywhere.
Yeah, have the medics come back this way and we'll try to see if we can get her on a stretcher.
Can you briefly take me through what happened today and what you observed?
Sure. So this morning, when one of the managers came upstairs, he said there was an officer downstairs that was causing some issues, was waiting for another manager to arrive, the one that removed her from the site, so she was waiting for her. He asked her to leave the property. She refused. She was just stating that she sees and hears different voices, and we're all going to jail. She called the real police, just screaming at everybody coming in the door, and then when you guys showed up.
Guys, I already went through it. Why do you guys do this to me? I already went through it. You guys see, I already went through it. Why?
Come and sit down. Come and sit down.
It hurts, please. I can't.
All right.
It hurts. It's stopping my blood.
You're okay. Look away.
Oh, it's stopping my blood.
All right. Come on. Step up. Come on.
Yeah, give her a quick little search if you can.
It's killing me.
It'll make you feel better. You get on the stretcher. 2092.
You guys know I can't talk to my mom. I can't do nothing, please.
Rosemary, we're just going to the hospital right now, okay? Just calm down. We're going to the hospital. We're going to the hospital with the fire department, all right?
Can I tell you guys one thing, please?
Come on.
Guys, why do you guys will see when I go through stuff? Why do you guys make it worse on me? You guys already see what I went through.
We're trying to help you.
But why you guys are being so mean to me? I know I did wrong.
We're trying to help you. Okay? See? That's nice.
I'm sorry.
Nice and easy. We're taking her out of the hospital. You're going with the fire department to the hospital, okay?
I need one officer to go on the rig. On the rig.
Here, I'll go. Someone takes my car.
All right, I'll go in the rig.
Someone go with us?
I'll go in the rig.
I'll go.
So what happens when the person hired to protect suddenly becomes the threat? I spent a few years working as a correctional officer. Let me tell you, if your security personnel aren't in the right frame of mind, everything can collapse in seconds. Because inside of a jail, one unstable officer can turn a controlled environment into a war zone. And when it spills over into the public, it can reach everyone around. And to me, that's what makes this call so bizarre. We have a woman in full security uniform who was hired to maintain order, but was now the very reason police had to rush in. And she wasn't just anyone on the street, she was supposed to represent stability. Security guards wear the uniform to project calm authority to reassure the public that someone is watching out for them. When that uniform is worn by someone hearing voices and talking about demons, the very symbol of protection becomes a warning sign. Having walked cell blocks with men and women ready to explode at the smallest provocation, I can tell you when someone's mind is fractured, the uniform on their backs doesn't mean much. That's why employers do carry a heavy burden, because it's not enough to check a box on a background form or glance at a resume. And too many organizations treat security as a cheap solution: hire quickly, fill a spot, and hope for the best. When lives depend on the judgment of the person standing at the door, hoping for the best isn't a hiring strategy, it's irresponsible. So how far should employers go to ensure the people they arm with uniforms, radios, and authority are truly fit for the role? Is a background check enough, or should there be psychological evaluations, ongoing screenings, and a culture where mental health is taken seriously? And if my time working behind bars taught me anything, it's that trust and authority is fragile, and once it cracks, it's almost impossible to piece back together.
The suspect is arrested for battery on a law enforcement officer resisting with violence and trespassing. She's innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.